What's crack-a-lackin' challengers? I'm your host James Morelan. Today we are doing a video that I didn't really want to do, that I've been holding off of doing, but today we are starting to break down my 150-gallon aquarium. This aquarium I've had for the past couple months, and it's honestly been one of my favorite tanks. It's had ups and downs and in-betweens, and I had a lot of high hopes when I first started, but over time the tank started to deteriorate, and I'll get into that right now. And I'm holding these plastic bags because we need those for later in the video. This aquarium is 150 gallons. I've had it, and it's always been lower. Originally, I did want this tank, the water level, to be lower because I was going to get archer fish. And archer fish require a little bit of above ground so they can shoot and knock down their food. But I didn't end up with that because I had to move my discus in here. And because I had my discus, I couldn't get another aggressive fish. So after that, I had this tank. I got some Buenos Aires tetras. I got new plants. I rescaped it a little bit. And then I noticed something in the fish room when I was doing a water change, that it started to leak. So the water line was about up here, and the water started to leak down on one of the corners because it started having a puddle over there. I could smell the water because of evaporation after a couple of hours. And then I was just like, what's going on? So I checked and I saw the puddle of water and I was like, oh my gosh, this could be bad. So over time, when your aquarium goes through time and change and different water changes, different heating and stuff, the silicone on the sides can deteriorate, which means that it can start leaking. So this happened, and what happens is over time it could eventually burst and break in the entire aquarium. Everything could be shoved out and explode, which would be horrible. So when that happened, I decided to get flex tape, which, like, if you guys know what flex tape is, it's kind of like a meme. But yeah, I got flex tape, and I also had aquarium silicone that I put on the corner to sustain it so it won't leak. And it stopped it for a while, but right now it's gotten to the problem where I can't even fill the water line up to a certain level. So the best idea would be for me to completely drain this aquarium, remove the silicone, and redo all of it, because this was the used tank, and when I did get it, I cleaned out the entire tank. I re-siliconed the edges, I put it on, but what I didn't do was remove the old silicone. So it was able to get gaps and all these other things, so it leaked water. So that was unfortunate. So the best thing would be to do is to remove everything, the substrate, and remove all the silicone and reseal it. So that's probably what I'm going to do in the summer, but for right now, I want to lower the amount of stress on that joint so it doesn't crack and everything doesn't shoot out. But yeah, that's why the water level's been lower. It usually is lower, like the last time I had to catch my discus, I usually keep it up about here. And if this tank isn't like really even 100 gallons, it's probably like 90 gallons, just because how low the water level is. And each one of these like little inches is a lot more water that the tank has. So today we're going to be removing the sticks. We're also going to be removing the plants and the fish. Gladly, I'm not going to have to give the fish away. I'm actually going to keep some of them in my 90 gallon with like the Cory cats and some of the Buenos Aires, but the cameraman Chase, I'm actually going to give him some, and I'm also going to give him the plants because his tank is better at growing. And they've died a lot because the light died too, which also really sucks. So yeah, it's kind of a shame, but hopefully the 150 will be back up and running. If not, and if I don't end up with that, I might do some other interesting things with this section of the fish room. But yeah, it's been something I've really been holding off on because I didn't really want to get rid of these fish because they're really awesome, and I love this tank also. We also have an angelfish and a dwarf gourami in this tank that will be moving into the 90. And this 90 has a good fluid filter. I do good water changes on it, so I'm not worried about that at all. And you can see it is really well planted too. But okay, let's just get into it. I'm going to take off everything because this is going to get dirty really quickly. This wood has been in this tank for a super long time, so it's gotten, I bet, like moldy and like a little nasty, so it's going to smell bad. We already know that, right, bro?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Okay, so Chase is going to start a siphon. We're going to fill up this bucket. This is the bucket he's going to take home with the fish. Okay. He's getting going. All right, yeah, sweet. So yeah, he's going to put some of the neon tetras. He's going to take some, even though I really like him in a big school. He's probably going to take about 6 for his tank at home.
Oh, there's something in there.
So yeah, we're going to slowly drain it because I do not want the crack. And this is where I flex sealed it. You guys can see it's like starting to peel off too, and I don't want to stress them out even more. And there's some moisture and stuff down here. I just don't want to risk it and have it crack. Okay guys, so I'm setting up some plastic sheets just so we don't get the floor super dirty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these pieces of wood, put them out by the pond, and I'm also going to be removing a lot of the sand and putting it out by the pond like as much as I can, so it'll be clean for when we reseal it eventually. Alright, here we go. These guys are really quick. And we have a little Jeff neon tetra right there. Dude, it's gonna be impossible, bro.
Oh my gosh. You gotta get the water level lower. Good luck.
Dude.
Get the water level lower.
We gotta get... I'm removing the pirate ship. This was so awesome. I love this guy so much. Dude, this was so good, too. Oh, it's nothing.
Oh, it's actually not bad. No, it's good.
Well, this was a really light piece. Hopefully the other ones are like this. Oh, dude. Dude, that stinks, bro. Dude, that's gonna smell horrible.
Oh, gosh.
Dude, that's like full-on rotten. Oh, dude, look at the bubbles coming out from that one. Dude, that's gonna stink, bro.
Oh, gosh.
Dude, this looks so good. And I like picked out these pieces when we cut down a tree outside.
It's got a blast.
Dude, I mean like it has to. Oh, dude, there's even more bubbles. Like if you guys can't tell, like this isn't like an exciting video like the other ones. Like this is something I'm really bummed about. Because like I had a lot of plans for this tank when I started, and I remember how excited I was because it was my biggest tank. Too bad, I'm gonna put it in there.
Oh, it's good. Never mind. As long as the roots are good, it's good.
Oh, dude, come here, like, get a good close up. Like, okay, I know they look bad because snails eat them. Here, let me get better lighting.
Oh, that's nice.
Dude, just like look at the roots on those. Like, look that, like they're live. Like, I know they look dead, but, dude, and they're branching out, bro. Look at that new stem, bro. It was branching out. It's gonna create new ones. Dude, look at the red on that. Like, you can just tell. I didn't even use ferts in this tank either. Oh, dude, it actually has big roots.
Oh.
You sure you want this? Bro, are you sure you want this one? I kind of want it.
You can have it. I mean, I don't really care.
You don't? I mean,
I kind of want it. I kind of want it.
I want it. Okay. We should definitely. Oh,
let's split it in half.
Bro, oh my gosh, look at that. Its roots are looking great. All right, I'll give it to you. Just make sure you don't kill it.
Oh, it's unkillable.
It like literally started growing back. You can
it's an unkillable boy.
Alright guys, while we're removing these plants, if you want to get some of the highest quality shrimp in the US, check out Flip Aquatics down below. I'll have some links down below. You can get a discount on your order when you use that. But yeah, some of the best shrimp. I have them in all my tanks. They're really great. I really recommend you guys checking them out. Oh, this is a nice plant. Dang, bro. Alright guys, now we have to turn off the filter. Unfortunately, it is that time. We have to turn off the filter. Last time it's going to be used for a long time until I fix this tank. Alright, Chase is going to try catch. He worked at a pet store for a while, so hopefully he knows how to catch these fish.
Oh.
He's going to try. Alright, so now it's Chase's turn.
Got the gourami.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
put the gourami in my 90.
Oh, you want to look at all
Here,
these.
I'll pull up your sleeves, bro.
Good idea, good idea.
Dude, you're so close to that one. Oh, did you catch him?
Yeah.
Dude, this is gonna take forever, bro.
One?
I feel like once we start getting one, it'll go quicker. Oh, dude, what did I say, bro? There we go.
Oh.
Dude, he's big. He's a nice one.
He looks good.
Took a while for him.
He actually looks happy in there.
Yeah. Well, this tank has a lot more plants. Dude, but these things are so quick. Alright, we still got the water change going. Alright guys, I'll get back. I'll pick up the camera once we start catching more of them. But right now we're just going to focus on getting as many fish as we can get out. Alright guys, so I have another tank gallon over there too. Chase is going to be picking up one of our betta fish that we have in there. And he has another tank at home he's going to put it in. But yeah, we're going pretty well. Chase, there's a lot of the fish in here. And there's still quite a few left. The water is going, and you can see a piece of dirt going sucked away. But now this is going to be nice because I can clean up, and I'll move the filter, make this area a lot better because it's really been slacking recently. But Chases keep going, trying to find and catch more. Oh yeah, the net fell in too. Okay guys, so that is it for the video. There are some fish still in here that I'm going to be catching and putting into this tank later. But all Chase's fishes are in the bucket in the plants that I'm giving him. And also we have a betta fish he's getting for another tank he has at his house. And we might do a fish room tour, like your fish tanks, yeah?
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, this was unfortunate that I had to do this, but I mean, it's the best risk for the fish because now I don't have to worry about them accidentally like exploding. I wasn't really planning on doing it this way, but I guess it's gonna have to be like this. I'm still deciding whether or not if I should try fixing this tank or if I should maybe like take it apart or give it away to someone that will. And then I might get like nano tanks and have this entire wall full of nano tanks. Make sure you guys comment what you want to see down below. But yeah, this was definitely a loss, unfortunately. We do have some extra wood and aquascaping stuff we might use for other tanks. I was thinking about this big piece. I might put in like a nano tank and have it come out. It would be so cool. But yeah. Okay guys, so make sure you drop a like on this video if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more energetic and a little bit happier. This was unfortunate, of course, but life happens in fish tanks. This is something that happens. This was already a used tank and I fixed up some of the edges, but I did not completely reseal it, so it was my mistake, my bad. But yeah, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you all on the flippity flops. See you all later.